Hi guys, thank you for stopping by on my channel Kiga. Today I'm going to be talking about the TruSkin Vitamin C Facial Serum and also be giving you a quick demo as to what's the best way to apply this. Okay guys, so if a healthy and a vibrant skin is something you fancy, you fantasize about, then you might find my today's video useful because the product that I'm reviewing today has definitely amped up my skincare game. It has improved my overall texture, the skin health, and also helped me brighten up a little bit when it comes to my complexion. I wouldn't say it has really helped me with my breakouts per se, which is ironically my biggest issue at the moment. Nevertheless, I think it has done a great job of improving, enhancing my overall skin health. The product that I'm reviewing today is called TruSkin Vitamin C Facial Serum. So what is this? This is actually a vitamin C facial serum, but the good thing about the serum is that's what I really liked about this product, that it targets multiple skin issues at the same time. So it targets sun damage, aging, things like fine line, wrinkles, pigmentation, and even dark circles. So this is how the product looks like. Let me show you the bottle. So the packaging here, this says 30 ml, 30, looks like a tiny bottle, but believe me, this is more than enough because while application you need a teeny mini amount, just like any other serum. So I think this is a good quantity, not too less, not too more. This is quite apt. So here's the best way to use this serum. It's actually super simple. You just wash your face with loads of water and any regular face wash. Once the skin is semi-dry, it's still kind of damp, you just take 3 to 5 drops of the serum on your palm first. With the help of your ring finger, just dab it all over the face and neck, and yeah, just nicely massage it, spread it with soft circular motions all over your face and neck, and yeah, let it settle. Wait for, I would say, 20 to 30 seconds at the minimum before you apply anything else over this. Could be your makeup or a sunscreen, so that the skin can absorb the product nicely, otherwise it might get just kind of sticky and messy. Okay guys, so the main thing I personally like about this serum, it's organic, paraben free, sulfate free, no harsh chemicals whatsoever. And also I've noticed the moment I apply this on the skin, it absorbs quickly, it penetrates really nicely and quickly onto the surface of the skin, because typically I face that challenge with other serums. You need to wait for like good 2 minutes to let it settle, which is, I think, a lot. But this one, I don't think it takes more than like 20 to 30 seconds to settle into the surface of the skin. Yeah, so I think I would really recommend this serum for people who like to wear serums on daily basis, because as I said, this is organic, so this is definitely not harmful for your skin. You can wear it every day. Also, I feel this has this multiple twin impact, so it not only moisturizes, like deeply penetrates and hydrates the skin, which is the basic need of any skin type, but also, it's constantly fighting against skin issues like sun damage, wrinkles, fine lines, pigmentations, and even blemishes. I think because of the vitamin C factor, it does a great job of just replenishing the skin and enhancing the overall skin texture.